In this video, you will learn how to use DeMarker indicator in a simple, easy and powerful way to trade binary options. And I'm going to show you each and everything in a step-by-step process so that you can learn and implement everything right after watching this video. And as I say in all of my video, no matter whichever strategy you learn, either from me or from some paid course, firstly test that strategy properly in your demo account, and if you think it is working for you, then only use it in your real account. So firstly, I'll show you the places where you need to avoid trade while using DeMarker indicator. So let's cross this DeMarker indicator for now. Firstly, you just select currency pair which you want to trade on, and then make sure you make this candlestick of 1 minute so that each and every of these candles are formed in 1 minute time frame. So once you have done this much, then select the duration of the trade. So 1 minute is fine, but you can test other time frame also, like 3 minute, 5 minute. It's your choice. You can test it in your demo account and then decide the investment amount. And now just click on here and then click on this DeMarker, and then just you see this arrow, just click on it and make it wider. And here you can see, here is the 70 level and here is the 30 level. Now the places where you need to avoid the trade. Okay, so what happens is, this above this 70 level you can understand it as a overbought region, and below this 30 level you can understand it as a oversold region. Okay, so whenever this line is coming out from this oversold region, at that time don't make trade, okay, by clicking on higher. And whenever the market is this line is falling down from this overbought region, don't make trade by clicking on lower. You need to avoid these places to make trades, okay, by using this indicator. Similarly, whenever you see this kind of format, wherever it is inside the 70 and 30 level, okay, this line is inside the 70 and 30 level, then also you need to ignore the trade. You should not make any trade. Now we'll talk about where exactly you need to make trade by using this indicator. Before that, if you think this video have added some value to your life after watching this video, then make sure to smash the like button. So now let's talk about the exact places from where you need to make trade. So as you can see, as I've told you, this is the overbought region. Above the 70 level is our overbought region. Okay, so whenever this lining is above this overbought region, okay, and it is hovering in here, okay, at that place you need to make trades by clicking on higher. Okay, so whenever this line is hovering in the overbought region, then you need to make trade by clicking on higher, and most of your trade are going to be right if you make trade whenever this line is at above this overbought region. Similarly, you can see in the oversold region also. Let's find. Okay, so here you can see it is also hovering below this 30 level in oversold region, right? Now this is the place where you need to make trade by clicking on lower by using this DeMarker indicator. So now we'll make a trade by clicking on lower, because this level, as you can see, it is hovering below this oversold region. So it is a perfect entry point for us by clicking on lower. Okay, so this is the place where you need to make trade by clicking on lower, and let's see what happens in this trade. I'll quickly cut the remaining time and we'll directly see the result now. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and we made a profit of $75.